Hey Khaled, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I'm making this free custom video for you. It's basically going to be showing you some ways on how to increase your online presence, get you more customers per month, and beat out your local competition. I do my outreach this way because it separates me from the millions of other marketers out there who probably contact you guys every single day. But this way, you know that I'm catering it specifically to your business, giving you very, very detailed and technical information, which is basically how the industry doesn't tell anybody else. But this is just to give you education, give you some knowledge, and hopefully if you like what you see in the video, you contact me. We can work on a game plan. If not, no harm, no foul. This information is for you, my man, and you can use it however you like. But I did do my research for your company, and I do feel there's a lot of room to grow. So without any further ado, let me get right into it. So the three things I'm going to be talking about are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. I try to keep the video 5 minutes, so that way it's not too long. So first of all, we'll start with content. I'm on the home page of your website, which I'll be specifically talking about today. Now, Google loves content. They want to see at least 1,500, 2,000 words on your home page. And you know those words got to be keyword rich. So I see that you have your website made out. It looks pretty good. You can definitely format it a little easier so it's easy on the eyes. So you see every section is different. And then you're definitely lacking words. You want to have a lot more words here with keywords, which are going to be the one that you guys are targeting to make more sales. After that, I want to show you second thing I want to talk about today, citations. Now I know you guys do Westchester, New York City, Staten Island. This is just a quick search I did just to show you that most Google searches are going to look like this regardless of what they are. So a citation is anywhere on the web where you can put your business name, address, and phone number. Now you put those information anywhere, that counts as one citation. You want to have as many as possible, at least more than your competition. There's ways to find out how many they have. That way you beat them by a lot more. So the more citations you have, the more visibility you have. Basically, let me show you how the Google search works. The top of the page, you're going to see these ads. They're called Google Guaranteed ads. Now, businesses have to get verified in a process with Google. Once they are, they can pay to be on that top spot. After that, we move on to these traditional Google ads, which is also a paid service. After this one, we go on to what's called Google My Business, also known as Google Map Pack. Over here, Google only lists the top 3 on the first page. There's a lot more, but the top 3 are the ones which get all the business. You definitely want to have your business out here. The more citations you have, you're going to start making it out here. After this, we move on to the section called the organic section. This is where companies use SEO optimization, search engine optimization, to beat out everybody else and make it to the first page of Google. Because what the statistics tell us, that 95% of the people click on something that's on the first page. Obviously, the higher on the page, the more likely you are to get clicked on. So people aren't really going on the second or third page. I checked, you guys are not anywhere close to the first page, so there's a lot of room to grow. Thirdly, I want to show you something called backlinks. Now, to get this, I use a tool called Ahrefs. It's a paid service. Every single month I pay for it, but it gives me really good information. So backlink is any website out there which is pointing to your website. In return, they're driving traffic to you. And the more websites you have pointing to you, the better. The more backlinks, the better, but backlinks which are high quality. Now, right now, you guys have 1,300 backlinks coming from 31 different domains. You guys are targeting 210 keywords, and it's giving you about 40 unique visitors to your website every single month. Now, to put this into context, let me show you another company in New York City. This is what their performance looks like. So they have 381 backlinks coming in from 47 referring domains. They're targeting 414 keywords, and they're getting about 600 people visiting their website every single month. Now, you guys have 1,300 backlinks, and they have 381. The big difference is not all backlinks are created equally. So let me go back on yours. A lot of guys, a lot of the ones that you have might be spammy or just might not be very relevant or very weak. So you want to get the high quality ones to get more traffic. More traffic means more leads, which is going to ultimately equal more money coming into the business every single month, which is the ultimate goal. So I wanted to keep the video short for you. Those are just some of the things I wanted to mention. I really hope you found this video to be informational and valuable. If you like what you heard, please give me a call. We can talk. Anyways, I look forward to it. You have a great day, Khalid.